So learn this trick and never make a mistake in guitar ever. Now this is some high level stuff that I'm gonna talk about here and something a master musician would only know, but I'm going to show you guys the ground level so you can then elevate it, okay? I'm exactly talking about manipulating notes, and I'm gonna show you with the illustration exactly what I'm talking about. So let's say we're in A, right? That's the scale. Now, if you hear, I'm gonna demonstrate it, this note, let's say, sounds wrong, right? If you hear this note, sounds pretty wrong as well. And if you hear also, that also sounds. So I have now identified three notes, right? 3 notes that sound completely wrong. Now, how do we make those notes right? And this is kind of goes into a jazz thing, right? And what jazz does is super important for even blues guys. Is what jazz does is they play a note as a passing note, and that gives you the illusion that it is supposed to be there, right? It is playing it as a passing note, right? So he's really playing 2 notes, but you're hearing 4 notes. But what he's doing is he's going through the 2nd and the 3rd note to get to the 4th note, and these 2 notes don't sound out of place, right? And I'll give you an example here. Herbie Hancock, it kind of goes like this. Sounds good, right? And he's going, right? Pretty groovy. That's really groovy. None of the notes sound out of place. But he's coming down. But what he's doing, and he's going, right? But he's doing this note right here is the passing note. That's what he's doing. These 3 notes, and this note is the passing note, but he just hits it in a passing way. What you don't want to do is never stop on these notes. That's really when they sound tragic, right? If you go, that's when it sounds bad. Now, I'm gonna go back the 3 notes that I showed you, show you guys how to manipulate those. So if you go, instead of going, if you ever hear, what you want to do is just bend it and go, right? If you're here, bend that too, go. See how nice that sounds? Now, if you're here, instead of as soon as you hit it and you hear it's a wrong note and go, and there's another trick as well you can add to your arsenal. Instead of going, you can go. Right? You come down here. Right? So that's where that thing kind of falls apart. And if you're a blues player, you can do this in any segment, right? You can really mess around with it and find these microtones that don't exist. By the way, if you guys like this tone, all of the tones will be coming soon on my Patreon. So make sure you check that out if you like the channel and want to support it. And I'm gonna show you guys the ones that I don't like. So this one's something that I stay away from, like this note. Right, that's a wrong note. If you lift this, it sounds a little bit weird to go. So that's the one that I kind of, the weirds me out. But here's another thing to reverse this. Reverse this as well. Take the notes that you already love, right? Let's say, that's a sweet note, right? Now, if you bend up to this note a half step right here and go, that sounds really nice. And if you bend up to the root note here, anyway, that's gonna be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're getting it. If you are, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. There's more coming. See you guys next time.